Find or read reviews that people are talking about Ljusmicker AirPods Pro case cover with cleaner kit. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Accurately match. Compatible with Apple AirPods Pro 2ND/1ST generation charging case 2022/2019, with specially treated see-through thin wall. The front LED indicator is visible when you charging. Note AirPods is not included. One-piece and dust design. The AirPod Pro 2/Pro case protector is a one-piece design, and the bottom dust plug design keeps the charging port sealed and clean when not in use. 3-in-1 cleaning pen. The cleaning pen with metal pen tip, soft brush, and the high-density flocking brush can help you remove dust and dirt from your headphones. Always keep your AirPods as new. 360 degrees all-round protection. The shockproof AirPods cases are made of premium silicone material, which is skin-friendly and harmless. It feels extremely silky in your hands and full protection from scratches, accidental drops, shocks and bumps without adding any bulk. Supports wireless charging. The AirPods Pro 2 case precise cutouts for easy access to all ports. It supports wired and wireless charging without removing the case. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.